How to end a song with reverb and echo in Premiere Pro. First, you have to make a cut on your audio you want to the reverb on. Then delete the leftovers. Now right-click on the audio, click Nest. For the echo part, click on the new item and choose Adjustment Layer. Go to Effect and type Reverb. Hold Studio Reverb and drag it to your nested part of your audio. Go to Effects Control, click on Edit Part, select Decay, and increase it to 10,000 millisecond. Then, double-click on Nested Layer. Again, do the same thing for the reverb in your audio layer. You can exit of the layer, and after that, this will allow you to expand the reverb effect that you want. That's it. Hope you enjoy it.